Hi, I'm Debbie, and I love Tupperware, and I also need to lose weight. And I always keep telling everybody how easy Tupperware makes it to lose weight. Well, I'm not a good example. I cook a lot of the food, and I eat food that I shouldn't. But what I did was I'm challenging myself to do 30 days of using Tupperware to make my meals and to make my meals healthier. So even if you don't need to lose weight, you might get some tips on how to cook your food healthier. My goal in the 30 days is to lose 8 to 10 pounds and to eat healthier. So what I'm going to do is every day I'm going to try and highlight one Tupperware product and show you what I'm eating for the day. And of course, you can pick and choose if you want to follow any of them or not. But hopefully, it'll leave me accountable, which will be nice. It also helps when you do meal planning, meal prep. It'll help you save money from going out and eating all the time. So that's a couple goals that will be good to meet. So I hope you can see that arrow. Okay, so what we're going to do now is highlight the Micro Pro Grill. It's awesome because it actually grills your food. So you put it here. That's the grill setting. This is the casserole setting. And I'm going to make a couple chicken breasts for dinner because that's healthy and grilled. And because of the coating, well, not coating, but the way it's designed, the grill section works really well. And you don't need to use any oil or anything. As a matter of fact, they recommend you not use Pam on this at all. So you salt and pepper your chicken breasts. Aren't these salt pepper shakers cute? So you put salt and pepper on both sides, on both breasts, both sides. Put one upside down the wrong way. And then you make sure that you put it in the grill section and that it's all the way down, touching the meat, because wherever it touched the meat, that's what's going to grill. So the receptors in here collect the microwaves, make the pan hot, and cooks it. So we'll put it in for about 4 minutes. And I love my Tupperware kitchen. It has everything I need most of the time. So my guidelines for my diet is not keto because I'm not a believer in depriving yourself from anything or everything of one type. But this one follows pretty much as much lean meat, chicken, fish, shrimp, whatever lean meat you want to eat, and then fresh vegetables. You can have not the starchy ones as much, but the green leafy ones. And then you can have a potato a day. You can have one serving a dairy a day. You can also have one fruit a day. And then also nuts. Nuts are good on here. But of course, unlimited anything's not great. So you're going to try and limit it and make appropriate sizes of portion. So for the first day, and this is how the 30 days is starting. I made a really cute sign. Well, I made a sign to show what day one food was. See what the problem is? I have to figure out how to switch it around so you can read it. I can read it, but it doesn't help you read it. So for breakfast, we're going to have half a papaya. And of course, papayas come in quite a large. This is all Tupperware that I'm using, just so that you know. So you're going to take all the seeds out. This is one of the, I sure hope I get better after 30 days at doing this. This is one of the gadgets that they have. So you cut the papaya in half, put it in here. This is a fridge smart. Put the cover on and put it at the appropriate half open, closed, or all the way open. So it stays fresh. It stays fresher way longer when you have it in fridge smart. So we'll do the whole papaya. And I'm not going to do where I eat the food and then go back on and eat the food and come back on. I'm going to prep my meal for the day, my meals and snacks for the day, and try to stick to that. And I already know what day I have to go out, so I'm already preparing for that day. So that's the papaya. I'll have one for breakfast, and then I'll have one for breakfast another day. So see how they will stay nice and fresh in there. And then for lunch, my helper cleans that up after. Now for lunch, I'm going to have salad, and I make 5 of these, and I put cucumbers, tomatoes, and dressing. And then depending on what day it is, whether I'll put taco meat or chicken breast or leftover steak or whatever. But since this is the first day, I don't have any leftovers yet. So I plan on having some turkey and ham on it for lunch. So I'll get that ready. And you can prepare it as much as you want. You can cut it up, rip it up, make it easier to eat. But you put that, I don't usually put the ham or turkey until that morning because I don't know what I'm going to feel like eating. But this should be taken out and put into lunch, the deli keeper. But I have enough products to demo right now, so I'll save that for another time. And if I left the door open or left the door closed with the dog on the other side, she would be barking and scratching at the door. But because I let her stay in here, she's standing at the door whining, wanting to go out. The pain in the butt. Okay, that was fast. The grill went off. So this is 4 minutes. And you can see already that it's browning it. And these chicken breasts are really thick. So depending on how thick they are. And the reason why we turn it over is some people's microwaves. And I'll put it on for another 5 minutes. Some microwaves heat higher on the top, some heat higher on the bottom. That's the only reason. If you have a newer microwave and it's even, then you don't even have to flip it. You can just leave it on. Okay, now we're going to get our snack ready. So we have papaya and we have salad with dressing and turkey and ham. And this is another one just to show you that I leave it like that so that tomorrow if I want leftover chicken, I can put it on, or steak or whatever we have for dinner. That one's done. This is the luncheon containers to keep your snacks together. So I made a whole bunch of carrot sticks. They keep really fresh in here. So you can put carrot sticks. And then you have to watch because you can eat nuts, but you can't eat unlimited nuts. You shouldn't eat unlimited anything. So this is, it was recommended that you eat a 1/4 cup of nuts. So that's a 1/4 cup. So instead of dipping your hand into the bag and just eating thousands of calories worth of nuts, these are nice, whole, natural almonds. And then, I think I was supposed to bring another container. Okay, to figure that one out. I'm hoping this gets better after a few days. We'll put the almonds back in here. That's why I don't do live. People could be making comments. I don't necessarily want comments. I'm already stressed out enough. Okay, so I love pickles. These are really great knives from Tupperware. They have a cover so you can't cut yourself, or I shouldn't say can't. I want the bigger pink one. You can cut yourself, but it's harder. So I like pickles. So I always try to find a way to sneak it in as a snack or in my lunch. So we're gonna put it in my snacks for today. So they fit in here. And you don't have to eat. You don't have to eat all your snacks at one time. You can spread it out. And I try not to use paper towels. We have the best microfiber towels. So instead of wasting money on paper towels all the time, you can just buy some microfiber towels, use them in place of the paper towels, throw them in the wash, and you're saving all that landfill. So here we have cheese cubes. And this would count as your one dairy for the day. I think it looks great. So there's one of your snacks. So you don't have to eat it all at one time. I like to pick, so I could eat the cucumbers, and then the other snack would be the almonds. There, I'm gonna find a container for that. So we have papaya, salad, tomatoes, cucumbers, turkey and ham. Then we're gonna have chicken breasts. And then we're going to have broccoli and cauliflower. So the Smart Steamer has a steamer part on the bottom with the water. And then it has a section that is protected from microwaves. So the microwaves don't hit the food. It just steams it. So I wanted to have broccoli and cauliflower with my chicken breast today. So that's the broccoli. And then I put the cauliflower, no, this is the broccoli and this is the cauliflower. So I put them separate. I don't know why, because they're going to eat them at the same time. But that's ready to be served. And this is something that my husband will eat too, not just me. So of course we want our family to eat healthy too. So there's nothing wrong with making them the same food that we're eating. Of course, my husband can eat 2 or 3 times as much as me and still lose weight. This is the grill. This is great because you can hear it sizzling. I can hear it sizzling. But it's great because while I'm doing other things, it's cooking and I don't have to worry about burning it. You see how it browns it? Okay, that's my chicken breast. It's all ready to be eaten. So I'll have chicken breast, broccoli, cauliflower. So the meal plan for today is papaya, and then I will have salad with lettuce, tomato, cucumbers, and turkey and ham, and dressing is in there too. And then I will have carrots, pickles, cheese, and almonds, and then chicken breast with cauliflower and broccoli. That doesn't sound like too much of a hardship, so we'll see how it goes for 30 days. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.